Hi guys! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good day. RJYC Vlog here. Thank you so much for all my new subscribers and followers in RJYC Vlog YouTube channel and RJYC Vlog Facebook account and RJYC Vlog TikTok account. Anyways, I just want to say happy birthday! PRRD, happy birthday, Tatay Nico. May you have many more blessings to come and sana po makauwi ka na. Yan lang po ang number one song ko. And also ang iyong health and ang iyong safety. Yan ang pinaka-importante. Kung ano man po ang plano ni God para sa inyo ay ipapaubayan na po natin sa Kanya dahil alam ko God's plan is better than anyone else. We love you, PRRD, and hopefully we see you fly back to the Philippines. Everyone, majority of the Filipinos in the world loves you and respect you. At yan ang hindi makukuha sa'yo ng bangag administration. Take care, PRRD. We love you. Bye!